Chalfant ladder cable tray systems are your best choice wherever you need to run wire or cable indoors or out. Since the late 1940s, Chalfant has been a pioneer in cable tray with our very own ladder tray, a solution built to be reliable, easy to install, and cost-effective. From raw materials to the design and manufacture of our trays, Chalfant doesn't cut corners and prides itself on producing the highest quality ladder cable trays right here in Ohio. When the standard solutions don't suffice, Chalfant is proud and ready to create solutions for our customers. Our staff has decades of experience in recommending solutions to engineers and contractors. We offer ladder tray systems in multiple finishes to meet the challenges of potentially harsh environments: aluminum, pre-galvanized steel, hot-dip galvanized after fabrication steel, as well as multiple types of stainless steel tray. And all of our products can be powder-coated with standard and custom colors as desired. Chalfant offers a number of ladder tray systems, each in its own numbered system, enabling us to provide you solutions with different rail heights, loading depths, and tray design. Once a tray system is selected to fit your needs, ladder tray can be provided in various sizes from 12 to 24 feet long, 6 to 48 inches wide, and with rung spacing of 6 to 18 inches apart. Larger side rails of 8 inches and 10 inches have span lengths up to 40 feet. Chalfant also offers a full line of covers, fittings, bends, supports, and accessories for each cable tray system to fit the unique needs of your job. Chalfant can provide takeoffs for your review and approval and has the resources to support engineering design and load calculations. Ask your rep for support, and we'll help them deliver the information you need to make your project a success. All trays, except stainless steel, are UL listed as equipment ground conductors. Our simple ladder design maximizes free airflow across your cables for superior heat dissipation, while keeping them organized efficiently and safely in your workplace. To learn more, contact your local Chalfant representative today.